A civil society organization, Center for Democracy and Development, has accused Zamfara State Governor Dauda Lawal of constitutional infractions that has plunged the state into economic sabotage, anarchy, and instability. The group at a news conference held in Abuja cited the suspension of 10 lawmakers of the State House of Assembly as part of a well-defined script by the state government to silence opposition voices. Led by its convener, Ibrahim Yakubu, the group called for the intervention of President Bola Tinubu to salvage the state from its current trajectory of doom.
It is time for President Bola Tinubu to take action before it is too late. A state of emergency must be declared in Zamfara now. A 6-month emergency period is necessary to restore order, dismantle the network of political and economic terrorism, and pave the way for a return to democratic governance. This is not a call made lightly. It is a demand born out of necessity, as the current trajectory threatens not only Zamfara, but the entire nation.
Yakubu further condemned the governor for allegedly compromising security in the state as well as aiding illegal mining activities.
Zamfara has become a haven of impunity, a playground for the political reckless, and an open market for illegal economic exploitation. The economic damage inflicted by these activities is immeasurable, and the implications for Nigerian stability are there. If left unchecked, this crisis could escalate into a full-blown national emergency, with a far-reaching consequence for our economic and security. These cannot be allowed to continue.
Stating that the people of Zamfara deserve better leadership, the group restated commitment upholding democratic values and ensuring accountability in governance. Chukwu Kerechinemerem, CNN News.